In order to set up Maven on your computer, you're going to have to download it. So we can search for Maven download. And then here we see the result for Maven download from the official Apache website. So we click that, and it brings us to the download section. At the date of recording, the latest version is 3.6.3. So we're going to scroll down here. We're going to look for the binary zip file. I'm going to click that, and it's going to start downloading. Once the download is complete, you can find it in the downloads folder. We're going to open this folder, and here we find the folder which contains Maven. You can place this folder anywhere you would like in the system. I like to put it in the C drive. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and go to the C drive. I have a folder here for automation. I'm going to click that, and I'm just going to create a new folder here, and I'm going to call it Maven. Then I can open this folder and place the Maven folder here. Next, we need to set the path environment variable so that the computer can know where Maven is located in our system. So let's go ahead and go into this folder and go into bin, and then I'm just going to copy this entire path here. Then you can click on the Windows logo and just search for path. Then we're going to click Edit System Environment Variables. And here we get the System Properties screen. I'm going to click Environment Variables. Then we're going to direct our attention to the System Variables section. And here we're going to find something called path. I'm going to scroll down to the path. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to edit. Please keep in mind that if you're using Windows 10, this interface is going to look a little bit different. In my case, I'm using Windows 7. So I'm just going to click on this and go to the end. And then I'm going to put a semicolon and then Control V to paste the directory of where Maven is located. And then I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to hit OK and OK. To verify that the setup was successful, you can open a command prompt and type mvn-v and hit enter. And here we can see that Maven 3.6.3 has been configured successfully. Please note that you need to have Java installed on your computer before you can properly configure Maven. Please see the video description to learn how to do that. Thanks for watching.